EcosimPro and PROOSIS are software tools for simulating and modeling systems. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to generate two different models, one with an OPC-UA deck and the other with an FMI deck. A co-simulation experiment will be used to simulate the model of them both. First, you have to load the toolkit COM-DEC OPC-UA that contains the OPC-UA interface. Choose the menu option File, Toolkit Manager, and select the path where to install the toolkit with the COM-DEC OPC-UA library. To load the library in the workspace, right-click on the workspace to open the pop-up menu and choose Open Library. Create the complete model that you later split into two models for the co-simulation. Create the first model for the tank and the pipeline. Create the second model for several tanks connected with different pipes. Now, generate the partitions and state the variables that close the mathematical model for both models. In the first model, create an experiment and generate an OPC-UA server. Now, for the second model, you'll create a co-simulation experiment. Assign the deck in and deck out variables as public. Then, in the second model, create an experiment and generate a C++ FMI 2.0 for co-simulation. Assign the deck in and deck out variables as public. Next, create an empty component and its default partition in order to create a co-simulation experiment. To create a co-simulation experiment, click on the contextual button of the partition and select the type of experiment as co-simulation. Choose the models that will be connected in the execution master. Next, create the different links between the variables of the models. Now, generate the co-simulation experiment. Simulate it on the monitor to get the results of co-simulation. Next, you have to generate a partition and an experiment in the complete model. By simulating the complete model, you can see that its results are exactly the same as the ones from co-simulation. So here you have seen how two models with co-simulation have been able to communicate and generate the same results as a complete model.